Hello everyone, welcome to POLYTRICKS course. In this particular video, I would like to share some tips and tricks in order to remember articles, parts and schedules of Indian Constitution. If any article, if any part of Indian Constitution or schedules of Indian Constitution, if that is discussed in the news, we know that we can expect a question with respect to that. But how to remember this article, how to remember these parts and schedule? So there is some techniques, some tips that we can use. This will help in order to get this article very easily. For example, we can take the Uniform Civil Code law. You know that this particular topic was discussed in the news. So which article of Indian Constitution deals with Uniform Civil Code law? For remembering this kind of topic, we are using a technique called as alert techniques. Alert techniques means we are using the alphabetic letter coding. For example, A is the first letter, C then third letter, then similarly L is the 12th letter, N is the 14th letter, S is the 19th letter. So this alphabetical code we will use to remember or to get the articles of certain subjects which it deals with. For example, Uniform Civil Code law. So we are using the code, the UCC, the short word. So if you want to remember the article of Uniform Civil Code law, what we will add here, we'll also add the Q, that is any question with respect to Uniform Civil Code law comes in our question paper, how to do and how to get the article, that is you have to calculate the alphabetic letter coding of these letters. For example, Q is the 17th letter plus U is the 21st letter plus we have to add the C is the third letter, again C, that is 3. If you add all these together, you will get a number that is 44. Article 44 of Indian Constitution, which is included under the directive principles of state policy, which deal with Uniform Civil Code law. Now, if a question comes with respect to Uniform Civil Code law, you got an answer, that is Article 44. Q plus U plus CC. This alphabetic letter easy revision technique you can use. Thank you.